Let us listen to Brother Nestor Villanueva, a missionary, as he reflects on the 7 last words. Third word, woman, behold your son. Son, behold your mother. Brother Nestor.
According to the book of John, chapter 19, verse 26-27, it says, near the cross of Jesus stood his mother's sisters, Mary, the wife of Cleopas, and Mary Magdalene. When Jesus saw his mother there and the disciple whom he loved standing nearby, he said to his mother, "Dear woman, here is your son." And to the disciple, "Here is your mother." From that time on, this disciple took her into his home. This word says it's a reminder that there is a responsibility of between son and a mother, a woman. Family is a gift from God. So Jesus is telling the son, take care of your mother, and also the mother take care of your son. And so there is what we call an intimate relationship between a woman and a son. Because even the Bible says, honor your father and mother that the days in this life shall be long. So it's an honor, it's a privilege to respect, to be honest, and to take care of our mother, our elderly who are in need of our financial and spiritual advice to them. So Jesus wants us to take care of our elderly, especially for our mother, because without them, did not came to this world. So it's an honor, it's a privilege to come out through our parents, our mother, and so there is an intimate relationship between mother and son. Woman, behold thy son.
Thank you, Brother Nestor Villanueva.